Right guys, just going to the beach. It's just, I think about 5 minutes to Maghrib, and I'm going to see if the sun's set kind of thing. We'll see what it is. I don't know if we'll be able to see the sunset. Guys, this is our hotel, Caravina Cinco. That's our hotel. It is getting dark, as you can see. Remember guys, wherever you are in the world, what's number one? Namaz is number one. Salah is key. Salah is number one.
That's the boy you ordered.
Guys, check this flooring out. Check this flooring out. It's so cool. How sick was that shot? Guys, check that walkway out. You walk all the way around, that's so cool. Look at that. Got the moon over there. So as I said to you before, Salah is number one. Read it wherever you can. We just came out, just walked along the beach, and alhamdulillah. This is not to show off or anything like that, but alhamdulillah we read our namaz outside. It felt good, no? It felt good, alhamdulillah. So don't be embarrassed. Get a place where it's just kind of secluded, quite quiet, and just focus on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So whatever you do, wherever you are, remember Salah is number one. So we're just going to go on a wee boat tour. Not a boat tour, but on a boat.
Discovery number 2.
Discovery number 2. Right guys, time for Discovery Part 2. So you guys who've never ever been to Scotland, Google Discovery Dundee. So it's approximately 10 o'clock at night. Time to go in to this wonderful ship nicknamed Discovery 2 by my wife.
Hello.
Hola.
We have it for you with the ticket, okay?
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, thank you.
And this is the story of the ship, if you'd like to take it.
Yeah,
Okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So my wife's going to be our tour guide. Wow.
Is this on the original then?
I think so. This looks like the bar area of the ship. This is the boss man's chair. This is absolutely crazy.
It took 2 years to build it.
Wife says it took 2 years to build it.
Wow, it says tabla on it.
Look at that.
The chairs, the king's chair.
Oh, nice.
Are you ready?
Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my bar, the halal bar, where you get Zamzam, Diet Coke, Diet Brew. What would you like? Got some legs. Got some slavery going on there. That's crazy. I hope that chicken's halal. totally haram that. That is crazy. You alright? Wow. You okay? 1724, that's crazy. And fire their cannons, I think. This is quite incredible, to be honest. Yeah? Wife just said that's the original bell.
Well, it looks it.
Well, it looks
And
old.
it's got the name of the ship.
You guys don't actually know, but my wife, she's a tour guide. She knows everything on this boat. Well, supposedly. She's got a leaflet in her hand which she's reading. It's all the old boats we got here.
Oh, that's so cool. What is that catfish?
It's a nice experience to have a drink. This is Coke Zero and that is Sprite.
For all the times that I needed a friend, I prayed to Allah that my sadness would end. And then He sent you to me, I can't comprehend how I could deserve such a blessing from Him. And it made me wanna write a song, cause I needed you to know that you're my girl and we're a team, girl. You complete my dream, girl. And I'll never be moving on. I'll be there by your side.
So there we have it, guys. That was a tour of this boat. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Remember to like, share, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. And most importantly, keep us in your duas. Take care, guys. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.